Want to know what Dutch children make when autumn arrives and the ground is covered in shiny brown treasures? They create the most amazing spider webs, but not the sticky kind you walk into by accident. Picture this. You're in a park in the Netherlands, and everywhere you look there are these gorgeous horse chestnut trees dropping their conkers like nature's saying, "Here, make something magical with these." Oh my goodness, the Netherlands in autumn! The bicycle paths are covered in golden leaves, the air is crispy and cool, and if you look really carefully on misty mornings, you can see actual spider webs glistening with dewdrops between the branches. I was wandering through a park in Amsterdam one October afternoon when I spotted this group of children sitting under a huge chestnut tree. They had baskets full of conkers, those shiny brown chestnuts that look like they've been polished, and they were all concentrating really hard on something. So naturally, I had to investigate. This girl called Laura looked up at me with these bright eyes. "We're making spinnennetjes," she said proudly. That's Dutch for little spider webs, and honestly, it's one of the cutest words I've ever heard. She showed me what he was doing. First, she'd collected fallen twigs from the ground. Not just any twigs, but nice straight ones about as long as your pencil. Then she was arranging them in a star shape, like the spokes of a bicycle wheel. Her friend Lucy had this brilliant ball of grey yarn. "This is the spider's silk," she explained, wrapping the yarn around and around the twigs in this beautiful spiral pattern. Round and round she went, weaving the yarn between each twig, getting bigger and bigger until it really did look like a proper spider web. But here's where it gets really clever. Right in the middle of the web, they'd stuck a conker. The shiny brown chestnut became the spider's body, and some children even added tiny twig legs to make it look like a real spider sitting in its web. Laura's oma, that's Dutch for grandma, was sitting on a bench nearby, and she told me something lovely. When I was a little girl, we made these every autumn. It's a Dutch tradition. We use what nature gives us to create something beautiful. Lucy showed me her collection from previous years. Some spiderwebs had acorn caps glued on for decoration. Some had painted conkers, and one even had tiny dried leaves woven into the web like it had caught them. What I loved most was how quiet and focused everyone became while making them. Their fingers worked carefully, wrapping the yarn just right, making sure each part of the web was sturdy. It wasn't rushed. It was like a peaceful autumn meditation. Laura's little brother Finn, he was only 6, made the tiniest spider web I'd ever seen, using just 4 twigs and bright orange yarn. "Oranje," he said happily, because orange is the special Dutch colour. His little conker spider sat right in the middle, looking very pleased with itself. By the end of the afternoon, the whole group had created this collection of beautiful spinnennetjes. Some children took them home to hang in their windows, some gave them to their parents as gifts, and some hung them on branches in the park for other people to discover and smile at. The Oma told me that making spinnennetjes teaches Dutch children to look closely at nature, to be patient with their hands, and to create beauty from simple things found on the ground. "Autumn gives us everything we need," she said with a twinkle in her eye. "We just have to notice it." And you know what? If you visit Dutch parks in autumn, you might still spot these little handmade spiderwebs hanging from branches or sitting on windowsills. Tiny reminders that the best crafts come from paying attention to the treasures nature leaves for us. Now here's what I want you to think about. What treasures does autumn leave on the ground where you live? Maybe conkers, or acorns, or colourful leaves, or interesting seed pods. This week, I want you to go outside and collect some natural treasures. Then get creative. Maybe you could make your own spinnennetje, or invent a completely different autumn craft using what you find. What could you create from nature's autumn gifts?